This is Lance at the My4SONS warehouse. In this video, we want to talk about how to solve the problem of where the hose breaks off at the base, or in other words, when the pump neck breaks off. Okay, if the hose breaks off these threads, unfortunately those threads are attached to the pump output, and there's no easy way to repair that. You can't do it with glue, you can't solder it or weld it. It's plastic, it's nylon, high strength nylon. And this is that's the way it's sitting inside there. And that just means replacing the pump. We have a video on how to change that out, same day shipping on our website.